Abasolwa bavele okokuqala namhlanje enkantolo. Basolwa ngokudubula bebulale umdlali weKaizer Chiefs uLuke Flores mhla zintathu kuMbasa esigamekweni sokudunwa kwemoto. Babhekene necala lokubulala, ukuphanga, ukuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho nokutholakala nesibhamu esingekho emthethweni.
The state submits that the offences you are charged with results under Schedule 6. What that means is that the court shall order that the accused be detained in custody until they're dealt with in accordance with the law.
Bavele ngaphandle kommeli enkantolo bathe bazofaka isicelo sommeli nesicelo sebheyili.
There are investigations that must be conducted relating to their applications that they want to bring to be released on bail. So we will be guided by such investigations, but the appetite is there to oppose their release on bail.
Abasolwa baphakathi kweminyaka engama-21 kuya kwengama-36. Ubaba kaFlores uthi udumela ukuthi abantu abasha abaphakathi kwaleminyaka bangazibandakanya nalobu bugebengu.
At that young age, for them to be involved in stuff like that, it's just heartbreaking that they didn't follow other directions in life.
Lo mndeni ozilile kumanje uthi usubaxolele abasolwa.
We just want to say from on behalf of the family, we do forgive those that done the wrong to my brother, but we don't want any bail, and we just want justice for Luke.
Abasolwa banensuku eziyisikhombisa ukuthi bakhulume nabameli babo mayelana nokufaka isicelo sebheyili. Leli cala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla ziyishumi nesishiyagalolunye kuMbasa.